What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I have a new guest. Alright, today we're gonna teach you the song called Stand Still by Sabrina Claudio. Okay, let's start. It's sexy dance. Alright everybody, let's start. So this one is very slow. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Look like a Roomba. Quick, slow, quick, slow. It's like that. Alright? So it goes like this. 6, 7, and go 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ha! Okay, there first. See, we will finish this one in 2 minutes. No, just kidding. So I guess like 6, 7, and push, and 2, 1. So every time you push, you need to maximize 2 counts. Okay, don't just push like that. Otherwise, you will feel a little bit faster. Okay, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 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 1. Loop, push, 1 and 2. Okay, next. So from here, 1 and 2. You're gonna go down on 1 and 2, 1 and touch, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so don't feel shy to touch yourself. It's your body anyway. Okay, that's right. 5, 6 from the top, 7 and push, and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, down and 2, 1 and 2, 1, loop, push, 1 and down, 1 and 2, 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It's so tiring to count. 1 and 2. Next, from here you're gonna close 1 and 2. Remember to change your weight. From here, 1 and 2, close 1 and 2. To the side, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, go 1 and 2. Again, from that one. So 6, 7, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let's continue. Wave 1 and 2, then your left foot to your chest. 1 and 2. Okay? Go 1 and 2, look. Okay, we will look a little bit to hear the counting. So from here, no, from here, 6, 7, 1 and 2, go 1 and 2, 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 1 and. Okay, that's the count. So this is close, 1 and. Okay, then up 2, jump 1 and 2, go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2. Okay, wrong count. One more time. That's the part I confused. So this is from here. Go 1 and 2, 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 up 1 and 2. Yes, that's the count. But before we go on, can we try from the beginning? From here. So 7, 8, 1 and 2, go 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. Yes, that's the timing. Let's start from the beginning first. Here we go. 5, slowly girls now. 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 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 2, 1. Here we go. 1 and look. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. Push chest. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and tiring. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. Push side. 1 and ha. Let's finish this. That's it. Again, from here, 1 and 2. Just simply move to your right. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. For this one, you can use your hand. Okay, so 7 and go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Go scoop. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Up go. 1 and 2 and 1 and close. Yes, that's all the choreography. But before that, let's clarify one more time the steps. The counting. So 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 1 and go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and stop there. 1 and 2, 1 and finish. Then you can add lib. Alright? Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Super slow. Okay? And if you want to see the music, just go to the link. You can see the video. The dance with music. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6. The description. Yeah. 6, 7 and go. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Flip your hair. 1 and 2. 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 2. 1 and 2. Shoulder 2. 1 and 2. Push side and 1 and 2. 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 1. Push. It's getting fast. 1. Ha. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Ha. 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 And go. 1 and up. 1 and stop. Cha. Cha. Yeah. Good job everybody. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Ciao.